So we have our candy corn on a pizza pan. Alrighty. Put this in our oven that's set to 350.
Ooh, it's hot.
Put it in there. Let's go ahead and turn on our oven light.
Oven light.
All right. Our candy corn's in the oven.
Ooh.
All right. Got our waffle maker here. A lot of people don't know this, but you can actually put cake batter in your waffle maker.
Wait, what?
Yep, you can put cake batter in your waffle maker. I'm gonna go ahead and grease this up.
Okay,
Perfect.
both sides.
And then I went ahead and made my spice cake perfectly moist. Woo!
Ooh, you made that right there.
Yeah, and let's go ahead and put that baby in there. So this is gonna go with our little candy corn deliciousness that's in the oven.
Oh, so whatever you're making here is gonna go with the candy corn that's in there?
Do you see it in the oven?
I
It's
see
starting
it.
to melt
Look at it.
already. All right, that's the perfect amount because we don't want it to overflow.
Oh, it looks so cool.
All right, say bye-bye to it.
Bye.
All right.
And that's just the perfectly moist spice cake mix that you already pre-mixed.
It's nice little fall flavor to go with the candy corn. It's gonna taste so good with that. Just wait until you see what we make with that candy corn. It's gonna look so cool. I'm so excited. All right, let's go ahead and check out that candy corn. Started melting at all? Ooh, it's getting a little greasy, but no melting action yet.
No melting. Should we crank it up?
No, it'll be super quick. It's already almost done. It'll look like that 1 second, and then the next second it'll be completely melted. Now this, on the other hand, is probably ready to go. Now remember, we have that candy corn, we have the spice cake. They're going together. We're probably gonna throw some ice cream with it too. So just hang on, and you'll see this amazing fall treat. All right, this is definitely ready now.
Ooh, okay.
Ooh. See how perfect that is? Now we just want a nice slice. It's okay if it falls apart from the others.
Put it together.
Yeah, just like that. Nice little slice. That's all we're gonna use for our recipe, but we'll go ahead and take these bits out too.
Okay, might as well. Maybe I can have one of them.
Yeah, perfect.
Nice.
Nice little cake waffles.
Cool, all right. Now
Turn
what
this
are we
off.
gonna do with the candy corn?
Well, let's go look at it. I think it's melted.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Doesn't that look so incredible?
Do we let it melt a little bit more, or is that ready?
I don't know. What do you think?
Maybe a little bit more.
Maybe like 30 seconds?
Yeah.
All right, let's give it 30 seconds and then we'll let it cool, okay? It's been 30 seconds. That is ready.
Oh, it's like puffing up. That's crazy. What? That's so cool.
Kind of just slide it to the side so you can just grab it on the bottom.
You probably should have had 2 oven mitts.
What?
You probably should have 2 oven mitts, right?
What are you saying to me?
Nice, look at that.
Perfect. It's okay if you get a little in your oven mitt. That's what oven mitts are for. Turn off the oven and let that cool for a second.
Let it cool.
All right. So it's still a little warm, but it's starting to harden up. So we're gonna go ahead and grab a clear bowl, just like this, upside down. Grab some vegetable oil. Be generous with that vegetable oil, okay?
All right.
Perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab this, flip it, and start bending it around the bowl.
Ooh,
Just like that.
crazy.
So you want it to be still a little warm. That's gonna be perfect. Now we let it completely harden, and it should harden in this shape.
Awesome.
All right. Now we're gonna take this parchment paper off. It should just pop off super easy. It's my favorite thing about parchment paper. It's gonna be such a cool design when we take this off. You're gonna love it.
So cool.
Right? Isn't it fun?
It's amazing. All right, rip it off. I want to see it. The parchment paper actually surprisingly comes off very easy.
Yeah. Well, that's the idea behind. Okay, you ready for the big
Let's
grand?
do it.
Look how gorgeous that is.
Oh.
Wow. Okay, one little piece left, and then We got a beautiful.
Oh, flip it over.
All right, you ready?
This looks so cool.
Ooh, this looks so cute. Just really make sure it has its shape.
Okay. Oh,
Look what we have there. A nice candy corn bowl.
Look at that. That looks amazing.
Right? So gorgeous. I really love the outer part. The outer part's my favorite part. So let's go ahead and fill this up.
All right, what are we doing next?
All right, we got some Breyers ice cream, vanilla.
Oh, so you're using it as a bowl.
Yep.
Duh. That's so cool.
Okay.
Big scoop right
Yeah,
there.
big scoops. Oh yeah. Fill up that big bowl. Perfect.
Ooh,
Isn't that
so
gorgeous?
Dang, 3 ginormous.
And it's so
scoops.
easy. You can impress everyone with this fun little Halloween trick. And then remember, we have our little waffle bites that we can throw in there. Look how beautiful that looks. Okay, I'm ready to try this.
Ooh, this looks so good.
Right? Looks so beautiful, and you can just kind of really get it all
Yeah, it's very
together.
versatile. Look at that.
Yeah. Look how gorgeous that is.
Looks
Okay.
amazing.
I grab fork. Dig in. Get a little bit of that cake and a lot of that ice cream.
And then when you're done, you can just eat the shell.
Okay.
Good. Take
Take
a bite of the shell.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Mm.
Oh, that was like crunchy. That looks awesome.
So chewy, so beautiful. You gotta
Look
try
at
it.
that.